So you might be in this random situation where for some reason your Telegram codes are just not sending to you. So maybe you're trying to get those codes on Telegram to basically, reactivate your account or whatever, and for some reason it's not working. This can happen for a lot of different reasons. Number one, the first thing I'd recommend doing though, is to go through and double check your internet connection. So go through, find your settings for your particular device, double check that you have some sort of data, some sort of cell connection of some sort, because if you don't, well, then that's going to be a pretty big problem you're going to run into. So that right there would be the first thing I'd recommend doing is just go through and just make sure you do have your internet connection properly checked out, make sure it's good. Now, if that's not working, another thing you can do is you can try seeing if you can change from Telegram, if you can change your particular code being sent to you to some sort of like calling option. If instead of getting a code sent to you, if you can go through and get them just to call you and verify your code that way, that might be a better option for you too. If that's not working, you can also try checking out your spam folder or your blocked folder instead of your Telegram application as well. So whether in Telegram or your Messages app, wherever it is, that can be another thing you might want to try doing as well. Because that can also cause some issues, and if it's in spam, well, you're probably getting the code, but it's just going to your spam folder. If that's still not working, you can also try going inside of your App Store. So go inside of your App Store or your Google Play Store. And what you're going to want to do is you want to try updating the Telegram application. For a lot of people, if you just update the Telegram app, that can also be something that you might want to end up try fixing as well. So try doing that, and you just want to see if that ends up fixing the problem for you. So it's kind of the main way to go and do it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.